Welcome back. In Maharashtra's Kolhapur district, the police have cracked down massively on eve teasers. They've arrested at least 150 eve teasers outside several colleges in Kolhapur. Ashish has more details for us. Ashish, what can you tell us? This is a massive crackdown by the police.
Well, that's right. The visuals you see on your screen are of Kolhapur. In fact, on Thursday, the Kolhapur Additional Superintendent of Police, Jyoti Priya Singh, and Deputy Superintendent of Police, Vaishali Mane, acted against eve teasers. And in fact, they were in the civil dress standing outside the Kolhapur colleges. And in this entire crackdown, they have arrested more than 150 eve teasers. Remember, the number of cases in Kolhapur had shot up rapidly in last few months, and that is the reason in last couple of weeks complaints of eve teasing and molestation increased, which forced the Additional Superintendent of Police, Jyoti Priya Singh, to take strict action against them. And that is the reason both of them, the SP, the Additional SP and DYSP of Kolhapur, they both were riding on a bike in a civil dress and nabbed some of the eve teasers who were passing lewd remarks on the college-going girls. Now, when these two officers of Kolhapur district, Additional SP and DYSP, decided the duo with the support of some cops in civil dress first reached one of the colleges in Kolhapur called Vivekanand College. They caught a couple of boys and slapped them for indulging in the eve teasing. In this entire crackdown, they have arrested more than 150 eve teasers. This is a major crackdown, and the decision to conduct such operation was taken after the rising complaints of eve teasing and molestation in the Kolhapur district of Maharashtra, after which the Additional Superintendent of Police and DYSP both decided to conduct this operation in civil dress. Back to you.
Ashish, clearly now this is a menace that is faced by girls across the country. Give us a sense of how bad the situation has been in Kolhapur, and this, of course, was a premeditated activity by the police taking strict action against these eve teasers.
Well, that's right, exactly. The visuals you see now are of the Additional SP Jyoti Priya Singh and DYSP Vaishali Mane, who themselves decided to participate in this operation. Remember, many police constables and officers were involved, were asked to rope in this operation. They were in civil dress, and the visuals you see are of the two topmost officers of the Kolhapur district.